Hello there. Can you imagine not eating for a whole month? You certainly can't survive that. This goes to show that we can't do without food. But why do we need food? To survive, to grow, and to have energy for activities like working on our farms or gardens, studying our books, running, and so on. In this lesson, we will be looking at food production. Food production doesn't just involve processing our oranges to juice or our potatoes to chips, but it also involves the process of growing these products or raw materials like fruits, potatoes, rice on our farms or gardens. Food production refers to all the processes involved in growing our crops, processing them into consumable forms, distributing or supplying them to buyers, and storing or preserving them to avoid waste. All of these refer to how farm produce gets to our homes and tables. Growing crops or rearing animals can be done in our small gardens or farms, or on a large scale for industrial use using machineries. So, we till the soil, we plant our crops, and we expect a bountiful harvest. But this can only be achieved when important factors are put in place. For example, the soil must be rich in organic matter, nutrients, and fit for growing crops. Also, we must ensure that the crops are planted in the appropriate planting season. And it is important to prepare to fight pests and parasites that may affect our crops. In summary, we have learnt about the importance of food to man. We also learnt that a farm could be a small garden behind our houses or a sugarcane plantation covering large hectares of land. We now know that for a bountiful harvest from our farms, certain important factors must be considered. Don't worry, we'll look at those in detail soon. Keep learning.